for a meeting that I have on Thursday, so I'm going to do a few recordings of what we talk about. Nick, why don't you move over to that one? And the first problem I would like you to solve. Oh, you have one? Yeah. Okay. The first problem I would like you to solve is the last one on the first page. So 8 2/3 minus 4 3/5. Sixth grade, I'm going to ask you to predict, do you think that you're going to need to regroup?
No.
No. What's the first step when you're subtracting fractions or mixed numbers, Sophia?
Okay, do you make the
Common denominators. So what are we going to use as our denominator?
15.
All right. And then how many 15ths is 2/3, Maddie? How many 15ths are 2/3?
10.
All right. And how many 15ths are 3/5, Nick?
9.
Did we have to regroup?
No.
3/5 is smaller than 2/3, right? So we're good. So 8 minus 4 gives us 4. 10 minus 9 gives us
1.
1. Maddie, before we started, you had a misconception. What was that misconception?
I made them improper.
Awesome. Could we still get the same answer if we made them improper fractions, Nick?
Yes.
It'd just be longer.
It's way longer, right? You've got a lot more division to do to undo things, right? And you're going to be multiplying larger numbers to get your equivalent fractions. So, okay, let's take a look at the one. Let's see. Yeah, go ahead and erase that one. Let's do 3 2/5. What's the other factor for that one? 3 3/4.
Wait, on the other page?
Yeah.
Now, this is the one, friends, that we were talking about, that we could multiply all parts of our problem to each other. It's a lot of steps with a lot of addition. And what did we decide would be better, Nick?
Improper fractions.
Awesome. And Maddie, what is 3 2/5 as an improper fraction?
17/5.
17/5 times, what would this one be, Sophia? 15/4. All right, so we have improper fractions now. What we have to do next is, Nick?
Times 17 times 15, which equals 655.
And what would our denominator be?
20.
All right. What's next, Sophia?
Okay.
Get it back into a mixed number.
The 225.
What does 255 over 20 mean?
It's way improper.
It's way improper, so we're going to do what? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide.
Divide.
So 255 divided by 20. Yes, Madison.
I got 32 and 15 over 20, and then we simplified to 3/4. 32 and 3/4.
How did you get 32, honey?
I did 655 divided by 20. And
Was it 655, honey, or was it 255?
Good.
She did it so.
Tell me what you did.
Oh,
I
messed
thought
up.
he had said 6.
I said
Oh, I
heard, but I was
255
like,
on
wait a minute,
accident.
that doesn't make any sense.
I said 255.
And 255 is the correct product, isn't it?
Yes.
So there's
My bad.
120 and 25, right?
Yes.
And there are two 20s and 55.
Would it be
15 is smaller than 20, right?
Yes.
Wait, Miss Goff, could you have done, like, you got 40 for that one? Oh, wait.
Bad fact.
Okay. Yeah.
Happens sometimes. So what is 12 and 15 20th simplified to, Madison? Can divide them both by 5, right?
Yeah. It'd be 3/4. 12 and 3/4.
Lovely. Awesome. Fantastic. Let's do another multiplication of mixed numbers. Let's do 3.5 times 3 9/10.
Times what?
3 9/10. It's the last one in the multiplication set. What you doing? 39 times 7.
I keep the 6 there.
7 times 9 is 63, right? 7 times 3 is,
21.
and plus 6 is 27. Do you know what helps? Is if you put the number that has more digits on the top. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 6 is 27. Isn't that a little easier than that?
Miss Goff,
Yeah.
may I go to the bathroom?
Of course you may. So our numerator, 273 and 20, right? Awesome. We're almost there, Sophia. Did you get 13 and 13 20ths? So you express that as a fraction, right? 13 out of 20. Great job.